guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beginner rock climbing shoes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the LA Sportiva Zenit. We love the La Sportiva Zenit and think it's the best beginner climbing shoes for people who want something comfortable. Several features set it apart from, and above, the competition. The multi-zone knit under the Velcro closure is incredibly breathable. The rubber on the outsole has a great combination of grip and durability, and they're the most comfortable climbing shoes I have ever worn. While the price comes in a touch high for a beginner shoe, we think it's totally worth it for what you get. Let us sing its praises. Several features set it apart from, and above, the competition. The multi-zone knit under the Velcro closure is incredibly breathable. The rubber on the outsole has a great combination of grip and durability, and they're the most comfortable rock climbing shoes I have ever worn. Moving on at number 4, we have the LA Sportiva Tarantulace. The best affordable beginner climbing shoe is the La Sportiva Tarantulas. Priced at a delightful $89, it's not only one of the most affordable options out there, but delivers on performance. The shape is great for comfort, making this a great introductory shoe, or a shoe long days of climbing. The Tarantulas is a classic beginner to intermediate shoe often mentioned by outdoor media as a good option for someone looking to stop using gym rental shoes and invest in their first pair of rock climbing shoes. It won our Best Affordable Climbing Shoe Award because it is a great value. While it does not have the same performance as our higher-priced winning recommendations, it holds its own when up against other models twice the price. At number 3, we have the 510 NIAD Makasam. The 510 NEAD Makasam shoe is a new twist on an old classic, the 510 Makasam, which referred to an outdated term for the ancestral Pueblo and was renamed. You can read more about this in our Mesa Verde article. The very similar NEAD Makasam is a great all-around slip-on shoe that doesn't sacrifice any comfort. The easy on and off slipper style of shoe is the best climbing shoe for bouldering or short climbs. Since bouldering relies on shorter power moves and rest periods in between, having a shoe that comes on and off quickly is ideal. Although this model is among intermediate and advanced boulderers, the NIAD is absolutely worth it for all levels of climbing. We especially recommend them for the type of beginner climbers who already know they are dedicated to the sport and want to excel fast. At number 2, we have the Evolv Electra. Evolv has a great reputation in the climbing world for its high-performance, vegan footwear. The Evolv Electra and Defy are no exception. The Electra has a padded split tongue that is comfortable and convenient for airing your feet out when not climbing. The Track SAS rubber is great if you're learning to heel hook or toe hook. Photo example of heel hooking below. While these are more advanced moves, they are always fun to learn as a new climber. And one of the most beginner-friendly aspects of the Electra is that it is reasonably priced, $99 for the Velcro closure and $109 for the lace-up closure. And finally at number 1, we have the Black Diamond Momentum. Black Diamond's classic beginner shoe, the Momentum, women's and men's, shows up on a lot of lists for a reason. It has some awesome features for climbers looking to transition out of a rental shoe. The Momentums have been around for years and are an award-winning shoe that previously was available in vegan and non-vegan options. In the latest iteration, all Momentums are 100% vegan. The Momentums also have a solid beginner price, too. They're competitive with our budget pick, the La Sportiva Tarantulas, at $100 for the pair. That is another reason why it's often cited as a good choice for a beginner shoe.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.